Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new Mythical Epic in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can already see, I have the new Mythical Epic, which I'm pretty sure is called Splash and Spark, yeah. So it looks super cool, and it says Splash and Spark make a good team and use their abilities to perform powerful combination attacks. So this is what it looks like. It has, on this one, I'm not sure which one is which, it has like these flippers, water main, it's kind of like shell horns. Then the other one has lightning bolts and some rocks, and they have contrasting eyes. So this one has orange eyes, this one has blue eyes, and then we have this rock right here and some green back here, which is kind of interesting because I'm going to see what element this is, actually. Another interesting thing is Aquastor Coral's name has been changed to Coral Aquastor, which sounds awful. And then, it's also now pet number 202. And then Splash and Spark right here, Splash and Spark. So we can't see their element, but now we are going to go ahead and see it anyways. Also, here is its running animation in case you did not see it, because I actually do not think that I showed it. It looks pretty cool. It looks weird when we have two running together, and it's kind of laggy. But we cannot battle with them for some reason. I'll try and go to a different area and see what happens. Alright, let's see if we can battle with them now or not. So we cannot yet battle with them, which is sad. Alright, so we cannot battle with it. That's sad, but that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you do want to see the attack animation, I will be doing a short of that when the Mythical Epic comes out. And I will also be showing you guys how to get that, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this, and bye.